Hello friend, my name is Akash Badak. Today I will explain about a priori algorithm. First of all, we learn about a priori algorithm. A priori algorithm is unsupervised algorithm. Since it is often used to discover or mine for interesting pattern and relationship relationships, and a priori can be also be modified to be classification based on label data. A priori algorithm use frequent item set to generate association rules, and it is designed to work and to database that contain transaction. With the help of this association rule, it determines how strongly and how weakly two objects are connected. This algorithm used to breadth first search and hash tree to calculate the item set association efficiently. It is the iterative process for finding the frequent item set from the largest data set. This algorithm was given by the R. Agrawal and Srikanth in the year of 1994. It is mainly used to market-based basket analysis to help to find this product bought together. It can also be used to healthcare field to find drugs, reaction and patients. What is mean by frequent item set? Frequent item set are these items who support the greater than the threshold value of user specified minimum support. It means if A and B are the frequent item set together, then individually A and B should also be the frequent item set. Suppose there are two transactions A and B. In these two transactions, 2 and 3 are frequent item set. Step for a priori algorithm. Below are the step of a priori algorithm. Step number 1: determine the support of item set in the transaction database and select the minimum support and confidence. So step number 2: take all supports in the transaction with higher support value in the minimum or selected support value. Find all the rules of these subsets that have higher confidence value than the threshold or minimum support. Last step of a priori algorithm is step number 4: sort the rules as the descending order of fit. Advantages of a priori algorithm: it is easy to understand an algorithm. It is easy to implement and easy to understand. Number 2, the join step of algorithm can be easily to implemented on large data set. And disadvantage of a priori algorithm: the a priori algorithms work slow compared to the other algorithm. It is a it is not a faster algorithm. The overall number 2, the overall performance can be reduced as the scan of database for multiple times. The time complexity and space complexity of the a priori algorithm is very high. In this algorithm, use a breadth first search and hash tree to calculate the item set association efficiency. A priori is an algorithm used to association rule mining. It searches for a series of frequent set of item and data set. It builds on association and correlation between the item set. It is the algorithm behind you may also like, where you commonly saw the recommendation of platforms. Let's see the program. First of all, import the NumPy, Matplotlib library, pandas. This sub library are import here, and here import install the a priori algorithm program package and libraries. Install here. Then import dataset. From this file are saved the Google Colabs, and saving this file are uploaded here. This method, the files upload method are upload the saving basket file, and after here import the input and output are package are import here. The pd dot read csv file are read this file this file, and after the data set are saving market basket file are described here. Thank you.